So, as we see here, the water is 25 degrees Celsius, which is 77 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a good temperature for the water. Alright, so as the first group to be attempting to grow plants using a hydroponic set, we've observed that it's difficult to find a method that successfully keeps the plants alive. But as you can see, we have some growth here, and definitely in the roots, you can see right there that there are definitely new roots growing in this spider plant. And that's due to the hydroponic set of water that's flowing through this and the miracle grow providing nutrients for the plants. And we have mint plants, we have aloe plants, and spider plants, and some unknown guy that we have no idea what it is.
And found it in the fish tank.
Found it in the fish tank. So, yeah. And these are constants, which we decided to keep in regular foxglove water. As you can see, their roots are growing actually surprisingly quite healthy in just the regular water, and especially the spider plant. Look at that! Wow! Look at these roots right there. Alright, so yes, these are our controls, and basically our experiment is to see whether or not foxglove water can be used to maintain life using a hydroponic set and keep the plants healthy.
Best way to grow them are.
So basically, we use different methods of like how we planted the water. Like on this one, we use stone with like a piece of paper towel at the bottom. This one we just use like a little funnel.
And then to make sure that the plant doesn't drown and get carried away by the current.
And then this one is like a sponge. But what the sponge does, it causes like algae to grow, but so does the paper towel. And this is like our little filter that will collect all the dirt and stuff. And so far, Erica, you said that it was a progress.
Yeah, it's actually working. There are you can see if you look down it that there's like little brown algae on the side over here from the pump pulls it in through this tube, and then it gets stopped here so that it doesn't get to all the other plants.
And collect like algae and bacteria and all that. And we clean the tank every like twice a week. Like every other week, right?
Once a week.
Yeah, because we just don't want bacteria growing and everything. Like as you can see, I guess we're gonna have to clean the tank again after today.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna have to do it. And every day, Caitlin goes through and takes out, the chunks of
this little sponge and all that.
Yeah, over here.
So far, although some of our for example, this one is completely dead.
We're getting a new one though.
But other ones have survived.
We certainly have progress.
Yeah, look at this one.
Look
at this mint.
That mint is growing well.
This one is nice and green.
And the spider plants seem to
spider plants seem to like the water a lot because of the new things. But then there's also some parts where it's brown like this. Says that it needed new nutrients, so we just put new.
We added 2 teaspoons of it.
Of miracle grow.
But this one looks nice and healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the nice
new root production.
Yeah.
You can see them going right there.
Nice.
The aloe doesn't seem to have a lot of roots though.
It doesn't have the aloe.
The aloe just seems to have this one main root that kind of absorbs everything. But it seems to be doing good.
Alright.
And that's our progress so far.
Oh, it's recording. Wow, that was a fail. Where are you, Jack? You're too tall.
So, as we see here, plants are chilling pretty hard, and I am taking the temperature of the water, which is 25 degrees
Way too cold.
Celsius, which is really cold.
What's Fahrenheit?
Look at that.
I'll cut that out.
So, this hydroponic set and this experiment is. Further experiments that will be used to. I don't even want to know what I'm saying. What am I saying?
Like,
Hold on, I need to gather my thoughts.